In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe Tax to collect VAT taxes efficiently. Let's dive right into the process to ensure your business complies with international tax regulations and optimizes tax handling. First, head over to the official Stripe website. The integration process can seem daunting, but we'll break it down into manageable pieces. To begin, you'll need to enable Stripe Tax in your dashboard, set up your tax settings, register your tax locations, and assign product tax codes. For those using platforms like WooCommerce, there are simple connectors to streamline this integration. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Once inside, find the tax section in the left-hand menu. If it's your first time in this section, click on Get Started and carefully follow the prompts to fill out key business details. This information, especially your legal address, plays a crucial role in defining your tax obligations. Next, set up your tax registrations. Navigate over to the Registrations tab in your Stripe tax settings. Here you'll click Add New to include all the countries where your business has VAT obligations. A helpful feature called Threshold Monitoring is available and can track your sales to highlight when you're nearing or surpassing these registration limits. This capability is particularly useful for identifying where you may need to register additional tax locations. Once you have your locations sorted, it's time to assign product tax codes. The tax rate is determined based on the product type and the customer's location. Set a default tax code in your Stripe tax settings for all products and shipping. This default will apply unless you assign specific codes to individual products. Specific codes come in handy for tailored tax treatments, such as remote sellers needing to only apply VAT to digital products sold in certain countries. To assign these, navigate to the Products section, select the product you want to modify, and pick the appropriate tax code from the drop-down menu. As you've configured product codes, you can now determine how taxes are shown to customers. Prices can be displayed in two ways. Inclusive means the tax is part of the displayed price, typical in B2C sales. Conversely, exclusive adds tax at checkout, often used in B2B deals. You can set a default in your Stripe tax settings or override it for specific circumstances. Finally, you're ready to integrate Stripe Tax with your website. The method here depends on your e-commerce setup. For platforms like WooCommerce, utilize the pre-built Stripe Tax connector by simply installing it and activating Stripe Tax in its settings. Ensure all products are assigned the correct tax codes. For custom websites using Stripe Checkout or API, there are simple solutions available. Use payment links to enable tax collection automatically. If you're a developer using the Checkout Sessions API, a single line of code can turn on automatic tax. For those crafting bespoke payment processes, the Stripe Tax API allows you to calculate and collect necessary taxes. After completing these steps, start collecting taxes. View aggregated transaction data reports within Stripe to assist with your tax reporting and filing. With these steps, you should have a seamless integration that simplifies your tax collection process. Happy configuring!